How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a quick overview of the Metabo HPT cordless bandsaw 36 volt. Show and go over all the specs and features on it, show it in use a little bit, and then we will already end the video there. I'll quit yapping, we'll get to it. Go ahead and pause and look over this information. This is all of the specs for the Metabo. Alright, so when you buy the Metabo kit, this is everything that you get. You get the tool, a carrying case, which is massive, a 36 volt / 18 volt lithium ion 4.0 amp hour battery, followed with a charger, which this also takes USB. Shows you your different light patterns you can get with the USB right here, which back there. This is the actual battery itself with the battery gauge on top of the battery. So inside here you have a spot for your charger, tool, battery goes over there, and then up here you have a storage for your blades, which you get a free blade when you purchase the kit. I gotta quit saying free, it's not free, you pay for it. It's expensive. This video is expensive. Alright, so that is everything that you get when you buy the Metabo kit. Next up, I'm just going to show you how you put the blade on, kind of go over all the features this has, and then we will show it in use and go from there. Okay, so as far as the features on this Metabo, first things first, you have, it says 5 settings, you actually have 6, you have auto as well, and then 1 through 5. And it kind of gives you the uses for what modes to use on what. Right here, this is how you tighten and loosen to get your blade on and off. I will say, out of the other that I have reviewed, the quality, the weight of this thing is the heaviest in my opinion. I'll have to actually look at the numbers, but just initial feeling, this is heavier. Second thing is, the quality of this feels a lot better than the others. Like all the others have plastic El Cheapo handles right here. This is metal and it actually snaps. I mean, it's, none of the others have that. So you have LED light back here kind of hiding, followed by your guide right here, which is adjustable. So then we go to the back of the tool. You have your rafter hanger or just hook right here with one position. On the back here, you have no brush or anything to keep your wheels clean as it rotates. All the other ones do. But I will also say all the other ones don't have metal back here. They are all plastic, so as far as the quality of this goes, it's subpar to the others. So this right here allows you to slide your bearing holder forward or backwards if you need to. Alright, to change the blade out, what you want to do is move this guy up all the way up here to loosen. What that does is slide this wheel back this way, so it gets rid of all the tension on the blade. I like to slide on one wheel. Make sure you're in this track up here. Finagle it till you get around both wheels for the most part, and then take it and bend it and slide it into your rollers. Just like so. Alright, so now that's on there, flip your tool back around. Tighten this guy up. And what I always like to do is put it on the lowest setting you can. Just barely pull the trigger. There you go. So we will go and show it in use and go from there. All right, we're just gonna show it in use. We've got the Metabo. All right, here we have the Metabo on some 3/4 inch all thread. This is on the lowest setting, so number 1. All right, here we have some 1 5/8" unistrut. We're going to be cutting with the Metabo on the lowest speed setting, so speed setting number 1. All right, here we got the Metabo. We're going to be cutting some 4-inch PVC with it on the highest speed setting, which is 5. All right, here we're going to be cutting some 1-inch galvanized piping with the Metabo on the lowest speed setting, which is number 1. Alright, so real quick, don't mind my random door over there. We're going to show you the Metabo auto feature. So you have, basically what auto does is it starts off really slow. Not slow. Doesn't start off very fast. And once it feels it has a load on it, it will pick up speed. Then once you're done cutting, it will lower the speed again. So basically it stays quieter until it needs to, picks up speed when it needs to, dies off when it needs to. So we have some 3/4 inch tubing we're going to do it on. This is for thinner material. This is not made to be used on a solid pipe or anything of that nature. So I don't know if you guys can pick that up. I can hear it. I don't know if the microphone picked it up, but it does make a slight sound reduction. As far as the speed actually picking up, I didn't notice anything too drastic, but there was a slight reduction in sound. So that is the auto feature on the Metabo. So you guys seen the Metabo in use. Let me know what your guys' thoughts and opinions are on it. Whether you'll get one, you won't get one, and what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. If you guys also could, let me know in the comments something you don't like about my videos or you do like. And if you have any other ideas, let me know as well. I will try to take all your guys' input into account on everything that I'm doing, so I can get these better made for you guys. Here in a few weeks, I'm going to be coming out with a video where I'm testing 7 different deep cut bandsaws. So I already have a list of tests that I'm going to do. If you guys have different ideas on what you guys want to see to compare all these different bandsaws, let me know in the comments as well. I will get that added to my list. So I think I'll end the quit yapping for now. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. I appreciate it.